First of all, I'm happy to inform you that those stranded students and friends from outside the state, but within the northeastern states, the movement has taken place today. Movement has taken place today. I would like to tell you the total number of stranded friends who has just reached was 284. 284. Ratashara 32, Bernihat 205, Bajendoba 39, and Tikrikila 8. And these friends who just reached today, they came back with their own arrangement of transportation. Their own arrangement transportation. And all the 284, we have released them to their respective villages with strict protocols in place, and tonight, the moment they reach their respective places, their respective villages, their respective houses, they'll have to go for a complete quarantine of 14 days with effect from today itself. And then the second batch, they are reaching maybe today midnight or maybe tomorrow morning. And the second batch, they are coming with the arrangement of the state government for transportation. So I don't know yet what are the numbers, so I'll get back to you, or tomorrow we will not have a press briefing. I will get back to you day after tomorrow. But the movement has started today, as I said to you, and 284 of them has just reached, and they have been going through all the protocols in the entry points, all the respective entry points. And I'm happy to tell you that all of them, there is no cases of symptomatic. They went home directly with strict protocol, as I've already told you. That is the first information I would like to update to all of you. Collected and sent for testing again, now reached to 1,944. Then the report tested negative is 1,822. Then the number of test results awaiting is 110. Then, as you all know, 10 of those infected are fully recovered, fully cured. One, I've already informed you yesterday that one person, we are still waiting for the report. I think very soon we will be able to get the report. So if I get the report within a time limit, I will get back to all of you. I will inform you, maybe through phone only, or through Bamaya, or either one of you, and then kindly circulate it. But if the report is late in the midnight, 8, 9 o'clock, then I think I'll get back to you tomorrow. Okay? But hopefully, maybe, yes, hopefully evening we'll get it. No. We decided those workshops, okay, write down properly, those workshops belongs to the showroom, means to the dealers like Maruti or what is it? Maruti, and we have so many dealers, authorized dealers. They do have their own workshop in their respective dealership places. So we decided today that the repairing workshop of those respective dealers will be allowed from tomorrow itself. But it is allowed specifically only for repairing. it is allowed for repairing works. This is including heavy and heavy and light vehicles. Heavy means those machinery like what they call it, this bulldozer, what they call this bulldozer, not JCB, like JCB showroom, JCB or bulldozer, whatever. Even this heavy machinery is also allowed only for repairing purposes. Okay. Then from the government side, yesterday we noticed those people who was queuing up in front of the wine shop, they did not maintain the social distancing. There was a complete violation of social distancing. So on behalf of the government and on behalf of the district administration, I would like to urge each and every concerned citizens of the state to kindly maintain social distancing. Don't compromise with this protocol. It is not for the government's interest, it is for your own safety and for your own interest. So I wanted to appeal once again from the government side, kindly bear in mind the moment you come out from your doorstep, please make sure to maintain social distancing at any cost. Then the last issue today, again we discussed about our students, friends staying who got stranded themselves outside the northeastern states. Since the registration is still on, and I'm sure they will complete the process of registration very soon. Again, I would like to request to all of them, maybe about 8,000 plus, who got stranded outside the northeastern states in different metros, different cities. I would like to request on behalf of the government, kindly bear with us. Bear with us, and we would fervently request all of them, at least, if possible, till the end of this month, please stay safe wherever you are. Stay safe wherever you are. You know, I am sure they know, state government leave no stone unturned. We've been trying right from day one in fighting of this COVID-19. Some of us could not even sleep for the whole week. And especially we have to think of the frontliners who has been on the ground. So right now, today we started the movement, the coming in of stranded friends within the northeastern states. If our friends outside the northeastern state put pressure on their parents, put pressure on the relative or the government as a whole, I would fervently request all of them, have patience with us. This is for the safety of the state as well as for the safety of their concern. I would like to request, therefore, once again, nothing like it, if they can still continue to stay wherever they are till the end of this month. Because I'm sure maybe another 1 week or 2 weeks time, we'll be able to complete bringing back those friends who stays within the northeastern states, because it takes a lot of time. Because why I said this, it takes a lot of time. The moment they landed, we have to quarantine them. Once we quarantine them, you understand, their whole administration has to be in place, because we have to monitor their daily health. And number two, we have to also provide them food every day for 14 days. So that is my request on behalf of the government to all concerned to have patience with all of us. It does not mean that we don't like or we don't love or we don't care. But I'm telling you, we request from the government side because we have so much pressures, we have so much work to do to make sure that the COVID-19 is completely eliminated within the state of Meghalaya. And then in addition to that, especially those stranded friends outside the northeastern states, after this month, maybe the first week of June or midst of June, when they come back, they need to understand if they belong from the red zone. I'm just telling you, we have decided today in the review meeting that the quarantine period for them will be double. Not only 14 days, it will be 28 days. Those students or friends who is supposed to come back to Meghalaya, from Meghalaya, where the places where they stay is treated or classified as red zone. Because right now we have quite a number of places, be it district, town, cities, where the respective government, state government and the Ministry of Home Affairs, they already declared red zone in those places. Okay?